Hi guys, my name is Tajab.
I'm Adiba and I'm Kashaf.
So we are in the 4th grade of the Lastonak of Badalona School.
And we're going to present a project of how we can save the environment and our planet.
So we hope you guys enjoy this. Okay guys, so our first tip is that whenever you leave your room, you have to turn off the lights. By this way, you can save the environment and the electricity as well.
So our second tip is, whenever you leave the bathroom, you have to turn off the tap or while brushing your teeth.
Speak to me softly, I can be a sandpaper, can soften the edges, and I can give you space. You could see through me. I can see you.
And the third tip is, throw everything where it goes.
Soften the edges, and I can give you space. You can be like you could.
No, excuse me, this isn't okay. Come. This is like paper, so this goes here. And this is plastic, so it goes in the yellow one, okay? So the fourth tip is to not cut the plants, or if you have plants in your home, do not throw them.
We should stop those people who cut the plants. So now we are going to explain you the differences in a local place or a touristic place. Like you can see difference between Sandrok and Sagrada Familia.
So the difference in Sandrok and Sagrada Familia is that Sandrok is not a touristic place and Sagrada Familia is a very touristic place.
And as you can see, the people throw the garbage where they want and not in the dustbin. And at the other side, as you can see, the Sagrada Familia is a touristic place and the government takes care of the environment and obviously the people who live there.
We hope you guys like the video.
And thank you so much for watching this video.